Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing some welding and hope for the best. Hopefully it goes well. See how it goes and just hope for the best.
So this is the exhaust wrap I got for the bimmer. See, I thought the exhaust wrap would help. So the next thing coming up is the exhaust. As you can see, it was rather crispy, not very well held together. In the video you can see it's not doing so well. There's a bit of blowing there. It's just in a bad state. Next video you'll see is underneath me getting up on a ramp underneath the car. It looks even more crispy and it looks shot, if I'm honest with you. See a torch coming up and yeah, it is pretty much done and crispy. There's me cutting off the exhaust with the old exhaust cutter. Takes so long. I don't see why it does, but it takes so long. Anyway, the exhaust is on the floor. That's what's been left. I know I've cut it on a bend. It wasn't the best idea, but it was the only idea we had. Me prepping the sleeve so we can get another thing over. It's all fine and dandy. Got the welder. Got some sealant and some primer things for it. So our best bet was to sleeve it and then put some the sealant over the other side so that can sort of harden and mould in together. Then we sort of welded around the edge of the edge of the connector so it holds it all together nicely. And then I didn't film it, but then I put the exhaust wrap on just to give it some extra protection. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that was my backyard exhaust fix. Thanks for watching.
And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.